In the heart of East Africa, as the world grapples with escalating climate change challenges, one country stands determined to rewrite its story. Kenya has unveiled a bold project to plant over 100 million trees by 2030, one of the world's most ambitious reforestation initiatives to date. But what fuels this project, and can it truly alter the environmental future? Kenya has suffered for decades from deforestation and recurring droughts, with tree cover dwindling to less than 7%, impacting water sources, agriculture, and the local climate. In response, both the government and civil society launched an extensive campaign to restore tree cover through a green plan that stretches to 2030. The initiative is not solely reliant on the government. A smart application, Jaza MIDI, allows individuals to register each tree they plant and track its growth via a map. A National Tree Planting Day has also been established, a public holiday encouraging every citizen to plant at least 2 trees. The result? Millions of trees have been planted in a matter of months. However, the goal extends beyond mere tree planting. Trees symbolize cleaner air, stronger soil, and more stable water supplies. In Kenya, millions of fruit-bearing trees will be planted, offering new job opportunities for rural communities and a sustainable income source. Impressively, over 70 million of these trees will be fruit-bearing, providing nourishment and reviving the land. The journey is not without its challenges. Planting and sustaining such a vast number of trees is difficult. Some areas face water scarcity, and inappropriate tree types may be selected for certain localities. Sustainability necessitates long-term follow-up, continuous funding, and training for farmers and volunteers. Hence, the project leaders are keen on engaging schools and local organizations to ensure that trees survive and thrive. Among the inspiring stories is that of young Kenyan Elizabeth Wathudi, who spearheaded the Green Generation Initiative, planting thousands of trees with school children. Elizabeth states, "Every tree we plant today is a promise for the future." Thousands of schools and villages have joined this environmental movement, becoming a source of national pride.